Are you ready to withdraw your hard-earned money from the Vantage app? In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the simple steps to get your funds out smoothly and efficiently. Let's dive in. Start by logging into your Vantage client portal. This is your gateway to managing your funds. Once logged in, find and click the Withdraw Funds option. This will take you to the withdrawal interface. From the drop-down menu, choose how you initially funded your trading account, whether it was via bank transfer, credit or debit card, or on e-wallet. Enter the required information such as your name, bank address, and account number. Make sure all details are accurate to avoid any delays. Decide how much money you want to withdraw and enter that amount in the designated field. You'll need to upload a copy of your bank statement, ensuring it's not older than 3 months. This is a standard verification step. Finally, click Submit and wait for confirmation of your withdrawal request. Withdrawal time frame and cost. Processing time. Generally, a Vantage processes withdrawal within 24 hours. However, depending on your chosen method, it may take between 1 to 5 business days for the funds to reach you. Good news, basic withdrawals at Vantage are free of charge. Just ensure that you are withdrawing fund backs to the same account used for deposits. Withdrawing money from the Vantage app is straightforward when you follow these steps. Remember, you can only withdraw uninvested cash. So make sure that you have closed any positions if necessary before initiating a withdrawal. Now that you know how to get your funds out efficiently, go ahead and take control of your finances. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Happy trading.